Let's draw an illustration of a noodle shop in Tokyo. Use line drawings extracted from a photo. Please watch the previous video on how to extract lines in Clip Studio Paint Pro. Place the extracted line drawings on top of the original image and color it. Then you can easily draw the illustration. The green layer at the bottom is the original photo. A line drawing layer on top of it. Make the line drawing layer the reference layer and put some layers under it. On top of the line drawing layer, place a layer for drawing the sky and trees. Make the line drawing layer transparent. Edit Convert brightness to opacity. If you make the line drawing layer transparent, the picture below will become visible. By overlapping, the color in the line drawing layer will mix with the color underneath. From top to bottom, orange, gray, blue, and green layers. I'll show you again. Let's draw an illustration of a popular udon noodle restaurant in downtown Tokyo. Choose the fill tool to paint the walls in a light orange color. Add color to under the roof's eaves. Use the black noise and unexpected lines left in the line drawing as part of the illustration. Add more color to the walls and details of the store. The more you paint over it, the more flavorful the image will be. The light bulbs on the eaves of udon shops are also painted yellow. The udon shop that everyone loves is gradually coming into view. The owner's family seems to be living on the second floor. The glass window reflects the surrounding trees and the blue sky. There is a tree next to this store, and you can hear the birds chirping. The glass window looks happy and joyful. The store's awning tent has white and green stripes. Let's add a little more color and give it a new look. Let's put tiles on the roof. The roof tiles have been drawn with the tile brush that was introduced from the assets of Clip Studio Paint. Use the Fill tool, make the surrounding area transparent. Fill tool refer only editing layer. Use Scale/Rotate to move it. Air conditioning is a necessity in the summer in Japan. Especially in summer, it is hot and humid. Let's install air conditioning on the second floor. The outdoor unit of the air conditioner will be placed on the roof under the window. Make the green part of the imported image transparent. Use Scale/Rotate to reduce the size and position of the outdoor unit. Define the edges of the outdoor unit with black lines. Draw the pipes of the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit is connected to a pipe that comes down from the outer wall of the room. The air conditioner is now attached like this. The window on the right is open. Let's install curtains that will blow in the wind. Import an image of a curtain that you have drawn in advance. Make the surroundings transparent and use Scale/Rotate Free Transform to transform the curtain and attach it to the window. Use Auto Select to select the areas other than the building. On the other side of the building, let's paint tree trunks. It's the tree trunk brush from the Clip Studio Paint assets. Change the size and paint a thin trunk. Use the watercolor tree leaf brush to paint a clump of leaves. Make the inside transparent. Paint all the leaves in the distance. Add color to the chunks of leaves. Use the soft airbrush to add various shades of green. Release Auto Select to add leaves around the building and in front of the building. Let's finish in a brighter tone. Use the Fill tool to paint a blue sky. The brightness of the sky will determine the overall brightness of the picture. Use another leaf brush to paint the leaves on the branches in the foreground. Some green branches are also on the roof below the window. Fill in the blank areas on the ground with the same ground color. Now the whole picture comes together as one. The flowers will bloom on the green branches again today. The birds are chirping on the green branches. Try not to have too many flowers. Use a G pen to draw the shadows of the buildings in light gray. There are shadows under the eaves of the building and under the window frames. Add shadows to the sides of the building to make it look more three-dimensional. Add shadows to the vending machines and signs on the ground. Now, did I forget to draw today's main character? That's right, it would be lonely without the kitty. Let's draw a couple of kittens. File Import Image. Rasterize the image. Make the area around the kitten transparent. Use the Fill tool to select a transparent color. Refer only editing layer. Use Scale/Rotate to move it. Move it to sit on the roof. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.